स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डू MCQs फॉर क्लास 9th। कक्षा 9वीं के लिए ये MCQs है जो कि आपको परीक्षा की दृष्टि से बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द MCQ। व्हाट डिड टॉमी फाइंड? आंसर इज एन ओल्ड बुक with yellow crinkly pages. Where did Tommy find the book? And the answer is in his house. How old is Margie? And the answer is 11 years. What does yellow wood means? Forest with yellow leaves. Question number 5. Who is the poet of this poem, The Road Not Taken? Robert Frost. 6. Which award was given to Evelyn in 1991? Soloist of the Year. Which foreign languages did Evelyn learn? Both. A and C. Where did Bismillah play the Sehnai on 15th August 1947? Red Fort. Which national award was conferred on Ustad Bismillah Khan? All of these. मतलब Padam Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. 10th number. Sehnai is a refined version of which instrument? And the answer is Pungi. Where was the Sehnai played traditionally? All the above. Yani temple, in wedding ceremony, auspicious ceremonies. Who breaks the shutter of the windows? Wind. Kejia's father could not play because he was too tired after work. Why did Kezia tear the paper? To fill the cushion. What did Kezia's grandmother ask her to make? A gift of pin cushion. What revives the sweet memory in the poet's mind? Raindrops falling on the roof. What does starry spears means? Sky filled with stars. Now 18. Who are darling dreamers in the poem? Answer is children. What did Albert's classmates call him? Brother Boring. 20. What did Einstein love to play with? Mechanical toys. Who is the author of the lesson My Childhood? The answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. Where was Kalam born? The answer is Rameswaram, Madras state. Who was Kalam's close friend? Ramnath Shastri. What are the things in nature that a man needs to live with? All of these, matlab sun, air, and water and plants. How is man's vision clouded? By hate and narrow thinking. What is the duck's wish? To hop like a kangaroo. Why does the duck praise kangaroo? For its ability to hop and move, means A number. Now, 28. Which incident showed that Santosh was concerned about her teammates giving artificial respiration to them? Why did Santosh leave home for Delhi? To get proper education and avoid marriage. Now 30. What happened when Santosh scaled up the Mount Everest for the first time? She became the youngest woman to achieve the feat. Sharapova loved reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. What's Sharapova's mantra for success? All of these means being competitive, working hard, respecting her job. What helps the tree to grow? Earth, air, gardener, none. Earth. How do the trees die? When their roots are uprooted. What does the poet equate killing trees with? Killing human beings. Whom did the author get by accident? A sloth bear. Whom did the author present the bear as a gift to? His wife. What was the name given to her bear? Bruno. Who chased the snake? Man. Where did the snake go and disappeared? In the ripples of water among green reeds. Why does the author find himself unable to tear away from the square? The flute music was very sweet. Which famous Hindu temple is situated in Kathmandu? And answer is Pashupatinath. Kathmandu is the capital city of नेपाल. What sealed the poet's spirit? A joke. तो ये थी वो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो आपको परीक्षा में पूछे जा सकते हैं. थैंक्स.